everyone, welcome back to Success Story. And today we have an interactive session with the members of Shepreneurs Networking. I would like to introduce Mrs. Neelam Goyal, who is founder of Nielsen Naturals. She deals in natural hair products and skin products. So I would want to know from you, what is SPN all about? And how long have you been a member of SPN? And how do you feel about it?
SPN is all about networking, building relationship, and taking maximum opportunities. It's about interacting with experienced and dynamic women entrepreneurs. In simple word, SPN is more learning, more networking, and more success stories. And I'm a proud charter member. और इन 5 साल के सफर में मैंने SPN से बहुत कुछ पाया है और बहुत कुछ सीखा भी है. I have become more confident, more connected, and indeed I got lots of opportunities.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Let me now introduce you to Mrs. Payal Agarwal, founder of Arhan. She deals in bedsheets and bed covers, and she's into it from past 12 to 13 years. So Payal, tell me, how has SPN supported you in your business in making more clients and making more business?
Hi. So SPN has become a real game changer for me. Like the whole concept of SPN is business. So here we are helping each other to grow our business by giving referrals and connections and by doing one-to-ones. Like if I say one-to-one में क्या होता है? If you go to the other person place and meet her personally, आप जाके उसका business and उसकी services देखते हो, तो so many times it happen कि आपको वहीं पे referrals and business मिल जाता है.
So बहुत फर्क पड़ता है when you are going to someone's,
exactly.
you're visiting
face to face मिलते हो किसी से तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है. So by this like one-to-one, I have got a lot of referrals and in turn they have turned into my clients also.
Okay, wow.
So like SPN members के connection से and उनके networking से I have been able to increase my business in a great way. When they say now when more than 50 members market your business, it really helps you. It helps you growing your business, expand your things in many ways. And
Absolutely.
Yes, SPN has supported me a lot in my business, not only Siliguri local, but like all over India say I'm getting good business now. So I'm really grateful to SPN. Thank you so much.
Wow, that is really nice. SPN has really supported Payal.
Yeah.
Let me now introduce you to one of the youngest member of SPN, and her name is Mrs. Roshni Chaudhary. She is director of City Gold Tea. So Roshni, tell me, why should one join this forum and what is the age criteria that you guys follow?
Hello. SPN Forum is a vibrant community designed exclusively for women entrepreneurs and professionals. By joining, you get networking and collaboration, learning and growth, opportunities and visibilities, exposure and events, and empowerment and support. और अगर अपने एज क्राइटेरिया की बात करें, SPN Forum welcomes women aged 18 years and above who are aspiring business leaders.
Oh wow, so is there any limit to, or it is for all?
It is open for all.
Okay.
Women aged 18 years and above.
Okay, wow, that's a great platform then. Let me now introduce you to the guiding light of SPN, and she is Mrs. Jaya Maya, founder of Success Mantra. She deals in astrology and palmistry. So how has SPN evolved in these years, and what keeps you motivated in continuing as a SPN member?
SPN was a small networking firm. We started in 2020. हमने 15 लेडीज के साथ हमने स्टार्ट किया था और कुछ ही दिनों में हमने 30 मतलब विद इन 2-3 मंथ्स 30 पे हो गए थे. आज हम लोग 50 मेंबर्स हैं एंड हमने सेकंड चैप्टर भी SPN का 2023 में स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
Wow. And कितने members हैं SPN Chapter 2 में?
Chapter 2 में 35 plus members हैं.
So it's like a community of 85.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. अब हम 85 मेंबर्स हैं और मोटिवेशन ये रहता है कि यहाँ पे कोई एज वो नहीं है फैक्टर. व्हेन यू अटेंड द मीटिंग यू डोंट फील दैट यू आर लाइक 50 लेट 50s एंड यहाँ पे सब बहुत रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं एंड क्लाइंटल भी बहुत मतलब यहाँ आने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड विथ 6,000 एंड नाउ आई एम 13,000 14,000 plus clients and wow. SPN has given me lots of clients and referral. Thank you so much.
Let me now introduce you to the accounts guru and the renowned Bhabhi of Siliguri. I think everyone knows her. Mrs. Sunita Sarda, founder of Zenith EduHub. So, ma'am, how professionally do you carry forward your meetings? And what is the procedure to register as a member?
So we conduct our meeting in a highly professional manner, like ensuring punctuality, clear communication, and well-defined outcome. Our meeting starts on time, ends on time.
Okay.
हर एक मीटिंग में हर एक मेंबर्स अपना डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करते हैं, डेकोरम मेंटेन करते हैं एंड एक दूसरे को सुनते हैं एंड आफ्टर मीटिंग के जो मिनट्स होते हैं वो शेयर कर दिए जाते हैं सो दैट ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर्स मीटिंग की टोटल डिस्कशन के बारे में अवेयर रहे.
ओके. आप लोग कुछ आइडेंटिटी भी कैरी करते हो अपने साथ?
या बैचेस रहते हैं हमारे, शैश रहते हैं हमारे साथ, हमारे आई कार्ड्स रहते हैं.
Okay. And what is the
एंड
procedure?
रिगार्डिंग प्रोसीजर ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन, उसके लिए यू हैव टू अटेंड one meeting as a visitor and after that you can join as a member of SPN. Our one-time registration charges is rupees 10,000 and half-yearly subscription is rupees 6,000.
Okay, that's amazing. Very doable. 10,000 registration one time only and 6,000 half yearly. So that is really doable for everyone. So coming back to you, how is SPN effective for the community?
SPN fosters a culture of support where women help women. And the fact that I have learned in my journey is if the best way for me to grow my business is to help other to grow their business. SPN लोगों को जोड़ता है और साथ आगे बढ़ने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है.
That's really amazing. Women helping other women. So Payal, tell me,
Yeah.
how many meetings take place in a month? And how do you make it an interesting one?
Okay, so we have 2 meetings in a month. It's like fixed every second Saturday and fourth Saturday.
Okay.
Basically, meeting के days and times हमने fix कर रखे हैं so that nobody misses the meetings.
Yeah, everything is
Yeah,
well planned.
Exactly. And like we start our meeting with Gayatri Mantra, and every meeting has to feature presentation in which members show their products to make it a really interesting one. And then we have interactive sessions and activities by the members for the members.
Okay.
And we do have theme-based meetings also, which members really enjoy, and they really are very excited for the theme-based meetings. So yes, the meetings are very interesting ones.
Yeah, and this is very important. Otherwise, women get bored very soon.
Yeah, correct.
So it is really important to make it an interesting one, and I'm sure you're doing best. So Roshni, tell me, are there any yearly events in SPN that take place?
Yeah. So SPN Forum is not just a networking group, but most importantly, it is a growth platform where we have many exciting events all around the year. Like we do annual business expo, where members get opportunity to display their products or services. Then we have award nights at the end of the year, and we have lots of master classes and skilled workshops. Like previously we had workshops with Binaisha Kharaz, then we had a master class on AI, and then we had a MSME workshop as well. वो कहते हैं ना, सफलता का रास्ता कठिनाइयों से भरा होता है, बट एक साथ प्रयास करने से सब कुछ संभव है. सो हर मीटिंग्स में लर्निंग सेशन होते हैं ताकि हर मेंबर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड रहे और एक्टिव रहे, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करे.
So can you please mention me, like, is there any ritual or tradition that your member values or respect?
सबसे प्यारा रिचुअल है एक दूसरे का माइलस्टोन को सेलिब्रेट करना. छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, कोई भी अच्छा अचीवमेंट किसी को मिलता है तो हम उसकी को बहुत तारीफ और एनकरेजमेंट देते हैं, और ये चीज़ सबसे हम मोटिवेटेड रहते हैं और सबको, और एसपीएन में हमें बहुत स्ट्रेंथ मिलता है.
हाँ, of course. Automatically अगर हम किसी की बड़ाई करते हैं तो उसको एक जज्बा मिलता है to work better. So coming to my last question for you.
Yes.
Please give some message for the women entrepreneurs here who are watching this show, who are really looking forward for a platform like this.
Well, if you are a women entrepreneur and wants to grow your business, then SPN is the right platform for you. We are here to support you.
So hey Nupur, you are also an SPN member. So tell me something that how you feel being an SPN member.
Of course, मेरे को भी हो गया है, 4 years हो गया, I think so, that yes, I have been an SPN member and it has been a wonderful journey, wonderful experience. I have also been a president 1 year. So yes, it has been a wonderful journey. And the best part is you get to network with different age people. So it's
Right.
not that you have your same age group only. So I think that is the best part of this.
True. Very nice. Yeah.
So this was a wonderful session we had with the SPN members, and I'm sure it's going to help each one of us, and especially to those who are looking forward to join SPN. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.